little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super yummy, a cute glass of chocolate milkshake. Are you ready to get started? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's begin. First, let's start by drawing the glass for our milkshake. We'll draw a tall cylinder shape. Make sure the top is a little wider than the bottom, just like a real glass. Next, we'll draw another smaller cylinder inside the first one. This will be the chocolate milkshake. Wow! Our glass is ready. But it needs a cute face, right? Let's add two big, adorable eyes to the glass.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's give it a smiley mouth right under the eyes. Look at that cute face. Cool! To make it look like our chocolate milkshake is bubbling with fun, let's decorate the top of the glass. We'll add some small hearts, stars, and dash lines around the top edge. It looks like the hot chocolate is making little bubbles. Our chocolate milkshake is almost done. But before we finish, let's go over our drawing again to make the lines bold and sharp. This will really make it stand out. Now, to make our drawing look even better, let's use a pencil to create a shadow underneath the glass. Nice job! Awesome! Our chocolate milkshake looks amazing. It's ready to drink, but first, we need to color it. It's time to color our yummy milkshake. Let's start with the blue color for the glass. For the delicious chocolate milkshake, let's use chocolate color. Brown color. Now, let's add some dark brown color. Pink color. Blue color. Whoa! Our cute glass of chocolate milkshake is now complete and looks so delicious. You did such a fantastic job today. Don't forget to show your drawing to your family and friends. And remember, if you had fun, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more awesome drawing videos. Thanks for joining me, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.